all products are inherently viral. You will inherently benefit from virality, but is there really a way to engineer virality into your products regardless of what you're doing? And what is virality? Like, your existing users contaminate new users. There are some companies where the contamination and the spread happens at a faster rate. And then there are some companies who actually don't have those loops at all. But there are other companies that actually set up mechanisms where existing users can contaminate new users with the product. If you listen to Tope, the founder of Calendly, and I will share some podcasts, he's maniacally focused on just reducing friction, right? At every point in the product flow. It's a very simple to use product if you think about it. But every single thing that they do in the company is just focused on reducing friction. Be it number of steps needed to onboard your first users, having kind of very clear CTAs where when you click on try it out, they automatically actually enter your email address so that you don't have to do it yourself. Amazing, like very simplistic UI UX, almost reminiscent of designs from Apple. And the question to really think about is, like, are you measuring how many of your existing users actually bring on new users? Are you making it easy for them to bring on new users? How can existing users share the experience of the product in a way that more people get exposed to it, get activated, and actually sign up? And this is a way of thinking, right? Like, every single product choice you make, can you engineer virality? Is a question we often force founders to think about. And related to that, the things to think about is, how does the first time user really discover your product, right? Is it largely through some ads that they see, or is it through some very high quality content that is available on various channels? Could be social, could be your own channels, or is it really through some sort of an extension of your existing product that is getting shared by users? And how do you want users to really discover your product for the first time? Is that something that you've thought about? And then how good is the first time user experience? Like, once users have discovered it, are you creating enough delight for them to sign up? Basically, you're setting up loops, right? Traditional marketing engine focused a lot on funnels, which is, you have at the top of the funnel, you're investing a lot of time and energy into filling it, and across the funnel, kind of you're making interventions to try and convert users. And funnels they really scale linearly. It's you put in X dollars, you get in Y leads, you're putting in effort to convert those leads. So just this concept of introducing loops at different points in your product, which encourage existing users to share their product with new users and derive value from it, is extremely valuable. It seems very simple. Not all loops actually end up in compounding. Some loops might naturally have a more powerful kind of sustaining way of bringing more users. But this is really about experimentation, right? How do you play around with your product and introduce loops?